In this video, I want to show you how you can find entry requirements for different college courses. And this might be helpful when you're looking for subject choices, because it can help you check, are the subjects that you're choosing going to mean that you can apply to courses that you're interested in. So don't worry at this stage if you don't know the exact name of courses, or if you not sure even what colleges you want to apply to. You'll be able to do a fairly broad search and able to check these things out. And this is, by the way, only about colleges in the Republic of Ireland. It's a little bit different if we want to apply to colleges in the UK or further abroad. But we can talk about them at another stage or in another video. So the first way that I want you to be able to check for different subjects that you might need would be using your Reach account. So you log on to your careers portal and you come into your career file here. So you use your login and you come to this blue page. Now you might remember I have a few more boxes available on my login. On your login there's a little bit less, but all of us have this on the side. So there's an option here that says Course Finder. So when you click on Course Finder, it brings you in to this search function. And what you can do is you can look up all kinds of different courses, and you can find what are the different subjects, Leaving Cert subjects, that you would need to get on to any of these courses. So these are just all listed here alphabetically at the moment, all kinds of ones you go through that you would go, there you go down in Limerick. This is a PLC course, and then degree courses. So here we go, one in Athlone. This is a 4-year degree course. So if I want to find out more about the institution, I click on the name of the institution. If I want to find out more about the course, I click on the name of the course. So I'm just randomly going to choose this one. I'm going to click on Accounting and Law in Athlone, and it brings me to another page. I get a nice little summary about the course, but this is what I would want you to be having a look at, is the Leaving Cert entry requirements. So you come in here. Are you looking for any specific subjects? No. So the points history is that it was 377. They're on their way up from 17 to 18. They went up. And I do need to pass Irish, I do need to pass English, and I do need to pass maths in 06 or a H7 in maths. So I need to pass maths. But there are no specific entry requirements needed for this particular course. So come back out of that and show you, for example, if we wanted to narrow that down. So let's have a look. Let's have a look for medicine. And I might just say, well, I just want to see, say, CAO courses, because you know with CAO courses it means that they're looking for Leaving Cert students. So we might just click on CAO. It's just a slightly easier way then of being able to narrow our search. So you can see here my filters are medicine and CAO courses. So here we go. We've got a few different courses. The graduate entry courses are not available to us because you need to have a degree. But there's veterinary medicine. There's podiatry medicine for people who might be interested in feet, and but here are our medicine degrees. So let's have a look at Cork. So we click on medicine. What would Cork want us to have if we want to apply to medicine? Come down, find the LC Leaving Cert entry requirements. There are the points. I need to pass English, 06 or H7 in English, 06 H7 in Irish, pass English, pass Irish. I must pass another language. I must pass maths. And I must get a H4 in chemistry and a H4 in physics or biology. So I'm going to need to have 2 science subjects here, and I'm going to need to get a H4 in both of those. These are the minimum entry requirements. Remember, obviously, to get that kind of points, you're going to need to do significantly better in a lot of those subjects to be able to get up to the points that are required. So that's medicine in Cork. A little bit different if you want to look at medicine in UCD. Click on that. Course details. Leaving Cert entry requirements. Need to pass English, pass Irish, pass another language, pass maths, but pass only one. So ag science or biology or chemistry or physics or there is a subject called Phys Chem, but again, it's not on offer in most schools. So here in Mount Sackville, it would be to do one of biology, chemistry, or physics would give you the entry requirements. So if you're interested in specific courses, or if you're interested in just even a very broad range of courses, again, we could do business here. Oh, we better spell it right. Business here. And we just want to kind of look at the CAO. There you go. We can find all kinds of business subjects. We could see a list of their points over the last year. You can have a little click in and out of them and find out different things. So very handy, just even sometimes just to click on the name of the college and you could find out something about the college. There's often different, there you go, little open days and stuff like that coming up that can be interesting to kind of find out about. Okay, so that's how we can find our entry requirements kind of using Reach. But the other one that's good to know about is under another website called Qualifax. So Qualifax have a nice little tool that you can use as well when you want to check your entry requirements. So you come into qualifax.ie, come into the area of students, and one of the things that they have here on the left hand side is called their useful tools. And there's two things there. There's a little interest assessment test, not a bad place to start. If you're really unclear and don't know what areas you might be interested in applying to after school, it's not a bad little test to do. But if you come into the minimum subject requirements, click on that, click on Leaving Cert. And so you say, show me any third level courses. So basically, show me any CAO courses that may or may not require. So let's say, okay, a science subject. Okay, so again, you can narrow down your search. You could just say, well, I just want to see ones from UCD, or I just want to see. But one of the ways of doing it for a lot of students would be to click on Leinster. Leave that any, leave the first one any, but then only show me ones from Leinster. Remember, if we say Dublin, it won't show me Maynooth. Okay, so if we leave it Leinster, we'll at least include Maynooth. And it defines what it means by a science subject here, or a second language, or a third language, all those kind of things. So let's just do a quick search on that. So what we have is that we have 81 courses definitely require you to have a science subject. 26 may require you to have a science subject, and 723 do not require you to have a science subject. So it could be handy. So if you were thinking, I don't think I'm going to take a science, let me double check, am I going to be ruling anything out? I could click on that and I could say, okay, let's have a look here. Okay, well, I can just double check, am I interested in any of these courses? Because all of these courses do require me to have a science subject. So if I don't choose a science subject now, I will not be able to apply to any of these courses. Again, click on the name of the course, you'll find out more about the course. Click on the name of the college, you'll find out more about the college. Again, click on, there we go, Athletic Therapy and Training over in DCU. You can click on that. Here we go, here's our entry requirements. And you can see that what it says is that as well as the entry requirements, I need to obtain an O4 or a H6 in one of physics, chemistry, biology, physics with chemistry, or agricultural science. So the first three are the ones that are available in Mount Sackville. So physics, chemistry, or biology. Okay, so that's two different websites, two different ways of being able to check on various different kind of subject and subject requirements. I hope you find them helpful, and feel free to come and ask more questions from either myself or Miss Kenny over the weeks ahead.